Alright, let's play a game today. So, this is the game, it's a very little one where you get to pick a genre, you make choices, and the model keeps the adventure going while the backend tracks the state. So, every time the player chooses an option, the app sends the history back to Telnyx AI Inference and gets the next scene as structured JSON. On this Medium page, I have written a tutorial which you can follow along, and it will have some more theoretical explanation. And the repo over here, it has all the steps. This is the architecture which I just described, and environment variables. Make sure you have set these details up. You are going to have to need to get the API key from the Telnyx portal after you sign up. And if you follow along these setup guidelines, you should be able to start playing around. Now let's get into the app. I'm already in my folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the Flask app under a virtual environment, go into a new terminal, and I am going to start the game with a curl command, which is in the GitHub repo, so you should be able to find it. Now, here is where you see that we have a game ID, we have a generated scene which you can read, and this is basically the scene that you get in this game. There is a list of choices from which you can make your choice, 1, 2, or 3, and it will keep going as you choose. And just FYI, for the demo purposes, I have set the max turns to be 3, but you can change it up, and you can modify the game according to your wish. Now let's make the first choice, and in this case I am going to make the choice to approach the glowing shrine and examine the light. I'm going to copy this game ID, and this is because it's going to maintain this state and keep updating all the choices that we take throughout the game. And I'm going to paste it here. While this curl command runs, the app is basically validating the choice. It's recording the selected option, in which case this we have chosen first choice. It will send back the history to the model. It will append the next turn, and it updates the current state. Now here is where it's giving me more choices, because this is where you're moving forward to the next step or the next phase. Now I am going to see that, alright, I can use the same curl command and I can just update the choice. So here I'm going to keep the same choice. I'm going to pull the silver dagger from the altar and face the warden. Let's see what happens. So the responses or the status in this game, it's basically just won, lost, or escaped. The scene, it's basically a simple dramatic conclusion. And outcome, it's basically whether you have why you have won or lost. And of course you get a summary, just a simple recap of your adventure. Now here you see I have won this game, and it says that okay, this was the scene, and the location was that I got to Forgotten Elven Shrine, whatever that means. But yeah, it's pretty simple to build this game. I hope you try it out. But quickly, I'm going to show you my Python script over here. And I'm going to show you that this is the system prompt. And one scene per turn, as we saw, and there are exactly 3 choices to make, and the state includes location, health, inventory, and turn. And the final turn basically resolves whether you won, lost, or escaped. And as we saw that our result was in a JSON format, so it's pretty easy to follow along. And you can build up your game prompt over here. You can simply just modify however you like. And in terms of, if you're thinking of making it more production ready, or if you want to really build upon this, you can use, Redis or Postgres for persisted sessions. You can, of course, add like a web UI to make it look even friendlier instead of just the terminal version. You can add some image generation and so on. So this was a simple and fun game demo, but the real pattern is bigger. It the the pattern to notice here is that it keeps the state in your application, send the model the context it needs, it asks for a structured output, and use normal backend logic to move the experience forward. And it's all done on Telnyx AI Inference, where you get a choice of different open source, open weight LLMs as well. So hope you build it, try it out, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching.